Hi, I'm Deb Kelch from Finish Well Health Coaching, and it's time for cooking on the fly. Now today, I've already selected all the ingredients that I'm going to use. If you saw my last episode, you know that I cooked steak with some enchilada sauce and some queso and vegetables. And I'm going to use those same ingredients, only today I have chicken. So let's check it out. So here's what I have today. I have Sante-Enchilada sauce and some Primal Kitchen spicy queso, sour cream, garlic salt, and I have here some Sante Fe green chile with beans. I have some cheese. I have some leftover pico. You may have seen that episode. And I have some stewed tomatoes. There's my chicken. And I have a little sprig of cilantro that I'm going to use as a garnish, along with a dried cayenne pepper. Okay, let's do it. So this time I'm going to mix everything in a bowl. It'll be a lot easier. So I'll put in my chicken. Gonna put some tomatoes in here. Let's see, some beans. They don't look very appetizing, but there is some heat to the beans and the queso. And of course I put the cayenne pepper in there. So there was a good amount of heat in this meal. I'm gonna stir this up. Put some enchilada sauce in here. And some garlic. Stir this up. I'm going to put some cheese in here. Not all of it, but I just want to mix some of it in with the chicken. There. Now I'm going to cook it in this container here. So I'm going to pour this mixture in here. And now the queso. Put some in here. Spread it around. I'm going to turn the oven on and preheat it to 400 degrees. There we go. Put the rest of this cheese on here. Sometimes when you're hungry, you're in too much of a hurry. Spread this out here. Okay, and now we'll put it in the oven for 20 minutes. Now you can see how quick that was. This is a nice, easy 20-minute meal. It only took me a couple of minutes to prep. So if you're smart with your grocery shopping, you can have all of this stuff ready. Sometimes I keep a bowl of chopped vegetables in the fridge and I can use them to snack on. I can just dump them into a stir fry or another meal and they're all ready to go. So if you do something like that, it will save you a lot of prep time. The key is to buy ingredients that are versatile and you can use in a lot of different meals. That way you don't have to waste a lot of time and you can plan in advance what you're going to make. That's kind of what I do here. So sometimes you might be out of town, you might be limited to what you can find, or you might even be staying with family or friends and you have to cook something on the fly with whatever's available. In that case, you know, it is what it is. But if you can plan in advance, you will save yourself a lot of time. This is what I have left here, so this will be used for garnish. And now we just wait until it's done. I just want to add that this would be a great meal for dashboard cooking. It's still hot outside. You can make this meal on the dashboard of your car. See my episode on dashboard cooking. Just put the garnish in a separate container if you're actually going to do this at work, so that when your meal is done, you can just garnish it and be ready to eat. Another thing I wanted to show you, I don't always have sour cream available and I really like it. So I would have substituted with this if I didn't have any sour cream. I know it sounds strange, but this, it's also a dairy product, onion, sour cream base. It works for Mexican meals, so I will use it if I don't have anything else. Okay, it's time to see what we got. Ooh, look at that. Now normally I would just eat it right out of that container, but today I'm going to put it on a plate. So let's do that. I got my plate ready. This is going to be very gooey. Look at that. I'm going to scoop some pico on here. And my sour cream. Got my pepper. Let's see. We'll put that right here. Some cilantro. Just put that right here. And there we have it. Look at that. So now I'm ready to eat. Now I don't have the lime wedge. I usually would use a lime wedge as a garnish. It's not pretty, I guess. I would probably put more cheese on it if I had known that this is how it would turn out. It looks okay, but if you're going to present this dish to someone else, if you're having people over for dinner, you might want to put some melted cheese on top. Just put the cheese on when it's really hot and it'll melt, and then it will look a lot better. I hope you enjoyed this video. Join me next time for cooking on the fly.